Our Pro Photoshop tutorial, Fashion Retouching, is perfect for anyone who's interested in fashion as well as full body retouching while covering 3 amazing images. Fashion retouching is so much more than a Photoshop tutorial. We're including 6 lighting videos that show you exactly how we created the lighting on each one of these images. Anyone looking to create amazing fashion images will have the key to making those amazing images stand out through lighting. This Pro Photoshop tutorial is over 4 hours long, covering 3 completely separate images. We're going to show you guys how to color those images, how to retouch the subjects, how to add textures to the images, as well as get rid of distracting elements and make sure that the subject focuses right in on whoever you want to look at in these images. This Pro tutorial is unique because it's all about color and lighting. We start with amazing images and we show you everything you need to do to make those images perfect. From coloring clothes differently to enhancing some light sources to bringing some light sources down and changing color when needed so the skin tones on your subjects always remain perfect. The included lessons learned video will help you get inside the mind of a photographer during a photo shoot. So we talk about the mistakes that we made during the photo shoot so you won't make them when it's time for you to shoot. If fashion is your thing, look no further than our Pro Photoshop tutorial, Fashion Retouching.